Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials, then enable iMessage immediately. First, make sure your device runs the latest iOS so features behave predictably. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and verify pages load. Weak Wi-Fi can stall activation. Sign into your Apple ID in Settings, then turn iMessage on under Messages. Once done, wait for activation messages. Your phone may show Waiting for Activation. If it does, remain connected and proceed to the next slide. Now configure how iMessage sends and receives. Open Messages, tap Send and Receive, and select the phone number and email addresses you want reachable. This controls identity presentation. Make sure Send as SMS is enabled as a fallback for cellular texts if Wi-Fi fails. Also check Settings General Date and Time and set Automatic. Incorrect time can block activation. If group messaging or MMS content won't send, check cellular data is allowed. Then restart Messages. Once stable, test a message to confirm delivery. Finish by testing an iMessage to a known Apple contact and look for a blue bubble. This proves delivery over Wi-Fi. If it fails, try quick fixes. Toggle iMessage off and on, restart your device, and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Make sure your account is verified. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear corrupted Wi-Fi profiles. Troubleshooting tip: check router DNS or firewall rules because they can block iMessage activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.